just say, these Indian loose waves are cute, honey. I need y'all to know this is how it came. Okay, these curls are just how they are. I had nothing to do. I did not put nail curl in this wig. It's so cute. Hey family, it's your girl Mary. Listen, it's no secret that fine hair gets no love. We rarely get attention, whether in the relaxed or the natural world. Y'all just don't even acknowledge that we exist. Well, I have fine hair and I own it. And today we are going to slay this Ishow frontal wig and pluck all the way to glory with us fine edged girls in mind. Again, this is an Ishowbeauty wig, and y'all know I love me some Ishow. This wig is already pre-plucked beautifully. They did a wonderful job. Sometimes companies say their units are pre-plucked and they're not. So yeah, that's that. But today we're going to take it to the next level to mimic those of us who have fine hair and edges, or for those of us who have thinning edges. Okay, so just kind of take a look at what I'm doing. I'm going to go through it step by step. It's going to be very detailed on the plucking, so I'm not going to show myself actually putting the wig on, because this is more so dedicated to the plucking aspect, which is one of the most important parts of the process that gets you out of that helmety wig looking level and get you to the next level. This part is very important, so I wanted to make a dedicated video about that. What we're going to do is take what was already started and we're just going to pull it back. The thinning effect that we're doing from this slice plucking, we're just going to bring it back, you guys. That's what we're doing. That's what my edges look like, so that's what I'm mimicking, and you can adjust as needed per your edge. Just watch me and you can pluck along if you have a wig of your own. And yeah, let's just do what we do, repping for those of us with fine edges. Hey, and make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe, you guys. You already know what it is. We're on our way to 200K, and I can't do it without you guys. Peace, love, light. Mwah.